right, welcome back to my class. In today's class, we want to solve this exponential equation, and we are asked to solve for the value of what x. So I would like to stay to the end of this video to see how simple I can simplify this question with ease. So let's solve for the value of x. Now, solution. Now, the first thing I'll do here is to break this particular stuff in the simplest base. Understand? So this one, 9 is what? Simple as what? 3 to the power of what? 2 times s to the power of what? 2. Then bracket what? X. Can you see that? Then plus what? 3 again to the power of what? 2. Bracket what? X plus 1. See that now? Is equals to what? 270. So I will not distribute this particular value here. Understand? This loss, if I add it to the power of what? M bracket n, this is equals to what? A to the power of what? Mn. See that now? So I would like to apply this law in both sides here. Very simple, right? So we'll now be having 2 to the power of what? This is what? 2x. Then plus 2 to the power of what? This is now what? Distributing this and this. We'll now be having 2x plus what? 2. You see that? Is equals to what? 270. Now, at this point now, I can see that I want to turn this, applying this law, if I have a to the power of what? M plus n, this is equals to what? A to the power of what? M dot a to the power of what? N, the lot of what? Indices. So from here, applying this law on this alone, I'll be having 2 to the power of what? 2x plus 2 to the power of what? This is now 2x. And we have what now? Dot what? 2 to the power of what? 2 is equals to what? 270. So let's come to this side now. We've done this part already. So this side, we'll be having this now. From here, I would like to factorize this and this out. As you can see that, I have addition here. So I can do what now? Factorize this and this out on one side. So the left hand side, I'll be having 3 to the power of what? X factor out, power of 2x in brackets. What's left here is 1. Now be having 1 plus 3 to the power of 2. Close the bracket is equals to what? 270. Now let's see if it's correct. Let's now expand this times this is this, and this times this is also these two together. So from here we'll now have what? Now 3 to the power of what? 2x. This is now what now? Bracket 1 plus 9. See that now? Is equals to what? 270. Now, having said that, please, if you are new to this page, kindly subscribe, like, and drop a comment to support this page. Just stay to the end of the class. God bless you. So let's go from here. We'll now be having 2 to the power of what? 2x. This is now what now? 10 dot what? 10 is equals to what? 270. So the next thing I will do here is very simple. I will now divide both sides by 10, this by 10, this by 10. So this 10 will take care of this 10, and this will take care of this one. I will now be left with what? 3 to the power of what? 2x is equals to what? 27. Now this thing you are seeing here is also the same thing as 3 to the power of what? 2x equals to what? 3 to the power of what? 3, because this is what? 27. Now, when I apply the law they call the law of what? Equality in indices. That is to say, if I have a to the power of what? M equals a to the power of what? N, it implies that because they have the same base, M is equals to what? N. So applying that law here, it means I'll be having this one will be what? 2x equals to what? 3. See that now? Though, and now what? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. This will take care of this, and therefore the value of x will now be what? 3 over 2. So the value of x in this question is simply what? 3 over 2. Very simple, very easy. We can check if it's actually correct. Let's check. Let's just checking. All right, let's check if the answer 3 over 2 is correct from the main solution. Let's see from the equation actually. So let's put the value of what? X equals to what? 3 over 2. And let's see if the solution for the value of x is correct. Let's see. So let me put the value of x This in this one, let's see, we have 9 raised to the power of what? S is now what? 3 over 2, bracket, 3 over 2, plus, this is now what? 9 to the power of what? 3 over 2, 3 over 2 plus 1. Can you see that now in bracket? Is equals to what? 270. So let's check if it's correct actually. So here is 3 to the power of what? This is 3 to the power, or we can say the square root of 9 to the power of what? 3. That's it. This one is the square root. Then plus this one will be what? 9 to the power of what? LCM here will be what? This times this plus this. This will give me the LCM is what? 5 over 2. That's the LCM. Is equals to what? 270. So let's see if it's correct. This is now what now? 3 to the power of 3 plus, this is now the square root of 9 to the power of 5 is equal to 270. So let's check if it's correct. So here I'll be having what now? This is now 27 plus, this is now what? 2 to the power of what? 5 is equal to 270. So what is the value of 2 to the power of 5? Let's see. I don't think I have it in my head. 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 4 is 81. So 81 times 3 this is 4 is 243. So now we're having 27 plus 243. 243 is equal to 270. So let's see. I think it's correct. This plus this will give me what? 270. So we have that 270 is equals to 270. So that means the answer for S as 3 over 2 is actually what? Correct by what? Checking the solution. Thank you for your time. Kindly what? Like, do a follow, subscribe, and what? Drop a comment. God bless you. Bye bye.